Ma'am Maristela.
Let's skip the niceties. Alam ko na ang lahat. When I need to know the truth, I don't chase rumors. I call my legal team. Mas mabilis.
Totoo kaya yun? Ninakaw ni Olive Caparas ang anak niya sa babaeng recently. Ay, inaccuse niyang magnanakaw ni si Emma Joseco. Ay, talaga naman.
Your family is full of drama. A mother who was institutionalized. A sister who stole her baby and raised it in a household of lies. And you, caught in the middle of a public low-class circus. What else? Your aunt. The twin sister of the woman who stole you. The unhinged creature who had the nerve to attack me. And now, she's the fiancée of your father. Siya din ba yung kumidnap sa'yo? Or baka yung kambal yun? Hindi na kasi ako makasunod eh. Wala naman akong pakialam. Bottom line is, ayokong ma-involve si Zane sa pamilyang mentally unwell. I'm not here to offer you money para layuan si Zane. Hindi ako ganon. Hindi to soap opera. Actually, nandito ako to give you advice. Siguraduhin mo maigi yung desisyon mo sa buhay mo, ha? Mental instability runs in your bloodline. Lumaki kang deranged na nagpapalaki sa'yo. Pinalaki ka ng babaeng... how do I describe it? Unfit to be a mother.
Kahit na anong gawin ko sa'yo, hindi ka na magbabago. Kaya dapat sa'yo, tinuputulan ng sungay.
Wala nang makakarinig ng sigaw mo. Ngayon, masisiguro ko na hinding-hindi mo na ako iiwan kailanman. You will be like a living doll. My living doll.
Nanay ako, Muki. Matinong nanay. Trained ako to sense danger. And you are a risk I refuse to take. Paano na lang kung bigla kang mag-snap? Tapos masaktan mo si Zane. Naisip mo ba yun?
Pasensya na po. Pero wala po akong mental illness.
With your family's history, paano ka naman nakakasigurado? Kung mahal mo ang anak ko, lalayuan mo siya.